Yeah.
We built the whole infrastructure, now we take it to the street, running scripts from the terminal, bringing the command line heat. You gotta pass the data in before the process even starts. Import size, homie, breaking down the moving parts. It's got
It's a list of what they typed, catching all the arguments to get the logic height. Index 0 is the script name, index 1 is the weight, grabbing variables directly from the command line game.
But sys.arv is too raw, it doesn't leave a clue. We need a professional interface for the entire crew. Import arg parse, setting up the parser block, building out a proper tool, picking out the system lock. Parser.add arguments, setting up the flags, dash, target, dash, for both securing all the bags, help text included so the users understand. Parser.parse args, taking over the command.
Taking over the command line, running the attack, interfacing with the OS. We never looking back. From the arguments we parse to the binaries we run. Python Syndicate, getting all the dirty done.
Now we stepping out of Python, talking to the core, executing other programs, knocking on the system door. Import Subprocess, the heaviest artillery we hold, running native binaries, moving fearless, moving bold.
Subprocess.run past the command inside a list, the most aggressive execution that the kernel ever kissed. Quote ls, quote dash la, quote, listing out the directories from the cartel's private boat.
We need to catch the output, we can't let it fade away. Capture output equals true, making all the data stay. Text equals true, so it decodes it to a string. Otherwise you get the bytes and you can't read a single thing. Result dots down holds the intel that we seek. Result dots there to catch us when the system's lit. We run the OS commands and we pull the intel back. Seamless integration in the middle of the track.
But what if the command fails? What if the system breaks? Check return code equals true, raising up the stakes. It pulls a call, process error if the exit code is wrong. Stopping execution before it strings the crew along. We don't tolerate the failure, exit 0 is the goal. Anything else means the system lost control. Rapid in the try accept, catch the error on the fly. The Python cartel looking the compiler in the eye. Taking over the command line, running the attack, interfacing with the OS. We never looking back. From the arguments we parse to the binaries we run. Python Syndicate, getting all the dirty done.
You wanna run a pipeline?
You wanna chain it right,
Shell equals true,
but it brings a heavy fight.
security risk, injection attacks coming through the door. If they pass a semicolon, they can start a system war.
Only use it if you trust the input, that's the cartel law.
Never let a user type a shell command in raw.
Keep the list format, keep the execution tight.
Protecting up the server in the middle of the night.
Listen to me, listen to me. When you build a CLI tool, you become the system.
You aren't just a script anymore.
You are a native command.
You take the arguments, you execute the subprocess, you control the machine. This is the final layer, the blueprint is complete. It's the final chapter, the compilation is complete. From the domain down to the command line free. We handled all the I.O., we parsed out the JSON files. We instantiated objects stretching out for miles and miles. The virtual environments are locked and secured tight. The logger is recording every move we make tonight. Sir Oinks and Candy shutting down the terminal display. Straight out of compiling, the Syndicate is here to stay.
Taking